Insertion sort. In this kind of approach, we sort the elements by placing them in a correct position. So here we have input array and all the array's elements are sorted except the last one. So we have to put the element 3 at the last index at the correct position, which is this one after 1. We have given array and gonna be the length of the array and key is the last element. Now we have to use while loop. If j is greater than 0 and aj is greater than key, then assign aj plus 1 aj and decrement the j. Aj plus 1 is equal to assign it key. Now print output. So you can see that 3 is in the incorrect position, so we place it in the correct position by comparing the elements, or you can swap the elements if required. So this is called insert. So now we are applying the insert algorithm approach to insertion sort. We have to use the same array. Before assigning key, we have to use outer loop through whole array. So here you can see we have sorted whole array. These elements are already in sorted form, so let's change it 5 and do it 10, 4, 16, 11. Now let's try again. Shift enter. You can see we got the actual correct result, a sorted array. So this is the insertion sort approach.